Everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be doing a must-have body mist, body fragrance, body splash, whatever you call it, you name it. Thank you to those of you that have subscribed to my channel and you've been watching my video. A big thank you to you all. If you're not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So anyway, let's get right into it. So, Forever Red smells very good. It's bad. I would give it a 10 out of 10. Yes, so Forever Red, Bath and Body Works. Yes, so if you're planning on buying your Bath and Body Works spray, this is a great choice for you to choose. Alright, and this is a Bath and Body Works fragrance as well. The name of it is Perfect in Pink. You can never go wrong with a pink Bath and Body Works spray. Yeah, smells very good. 10 out of 10 for this one as well, so you can check it out. All right, so this is another Forever Red. Yeah, so you know that I really love Forever Red. All right, so this is, what's the name of this one again? This is Disney Princess Bath and Body Works. Wow, it smells so much like vanilla. I love it. Alright, Bath and Body Works again. And this is Happy Vibes. It truly has a vibe. Trust me, the vibe is right. The fragrance is good. It's great, matter of fact. Yeah, so this is a nice choice as well. This is the Stars. It's Body Philosophy, however, it smells very good. So strong. I would rate this 8 out of 10. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Take care.